You must have seen that Indian IT stocks are falling at a high pace. Now, what is the reason behind that? Well, before telling you the reasons why IT stocks are falling, let me tell you that for any of the companies, if its stocks are moving at a high or at low, the reason behind that is not just present company performance, but it depends on future expectations. सो इन केस अगर हमारी उस स्टॉक या उस सेक्टर को लेके अगर हमारी जो एक्सपेक्टेशंस है अगर वो वीक हो जाएगी तो ऑटोमेटिकली उसके शेयर प्राइस में फॉल देखने को मिलेगी, राइट? नाउ विद दिस कंसेप्ट इन माइंड, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू व्हाई द इंडियन आईटी stocks are falling. So if I talk about first thing, you can see that AI has taken major role in this. Nowadays, artificial intelligence tools are available, and many of them are free of cost, or even if it is paid version, but many great AI tools are available. So now companies like US companies and IT companies are moving towards AI rather than traditional software, and that is why naturally IT sector में share prices में fall आना ही था. The second reason is that US economy is getting slower. Yes, you heard it right. You have seen that US economy are cutting the cost of the companies. For example, in India, we have major IT companies like TCS and Infosys. Now they get their major clients and major revenue from US. But if US companies is not giving us IT projects, our revenue will be impacted, our profit will be impacted. If the US companies are doing cost cutting, then naturally it will affect our IT companies, revenue, profit, and then ultimately its share price. The third one is currency fluctuation. Now why? You have seen that sometimes a rupee gets stronger, right? So when rupee will get stronger, naturally the dollar will get weak. And if we have major clients, like for IT companies have major clients from US, and they will pay us in dollars. So if dollar is getting weak and rupee is getting stronger, naturally dollar we are receiving in dollar, and if it is getting weaker, it will impact our profit, and then due to this share prices are affecting. The fourth point is global recession, war, high interest rate in US economy. See, people generally it happens that whenever there is time of recession, wars like US, Ukraine wars is going on, people naturally shift towards the things which are more safer, like FD and FD or anything other than stock. Especially they avoid the high risk sector. So this is one of the reasons.